afternoon and welcome back. Welcome to another Taste Test Tuesday where we try different types of food from all over Costa Rica. Not 100% sure this video is going to get to you by Tuesday because the internet is terrible here and we are in the process of making changes to that. Hopefully we can get that fixed. But either way, we've got crocodile meat, man. Look at that. Now, before I start this, I just want to say I do not condone the killing of crocodiles, but if the duty is already done, in the words of my little cousin Jack, let me get. Anyway, so somebody gave me some crocodile meat and I am not going to let it go to waste, and I figure I'll share it with you guys for those who want to see. So from what it looks like, I think I've got a couple of pieces of the tail here, I'm pretty sure, and then maybe a leg or something, or a thigh, I'm not really sure. We're gonna do a couple of different methods here. Fried breaded crocodile, and I'm also going to pan sear it and try it both ways and see what kind of taste it's got. Honestly, it's got no smell at all. I thought it would be a little fishy. Very white meat here. You know, it's thick, it's pretty tough. Let's just dig in and find out what this is all about. This up into little cubes, little cubes. Gonna toss this on a little pan sear and some butter. Look at that thing, man. Come on, look at that. Crocodile is absolutely insane. Insane the smell's coming out of here. Wow. Alright people, this is what we got here. We've got a ton of crocodile bites here. I mean, that right there is a ton of food. I didn't realize how much I was making. And then we've got our pan-seared crocodile right here. We've also got a little homemade spicy mayo with some jalapenos and some spicy peppers. And also, we got the eagle in the building. Let's do this taste test and see, do I even like crocodile? Did I make all this food for nothing? I'm sure I like it. I mean, you fry anything, it's delicious. So, here we go. Backyard crocodile right here. Way chewier than I was expecting. It's good, to be honest. It doesn't have that much of a taste. Let's toss a little bit of salt on a piece or two here. A little bit of salt on that. Oh yeah, the salt brings out the flavor. Yeah, it tastes like chicken. I knew I was gonna have to say that. I was trying to figure out a way to say it without having to say it tastes like chicken, but yeah, it tastes like chicken. But a little fishy. You know, it's not like flaky like fish. And it's a little tougher than chicken. Almost, I don't want to say lobster because it's not like lobster. But I do have to say, definitely worth trying. All right, now we got our pan-seared croc here. So let's give this a little bite. It's not terrible. It's not like my favorite. It's just got this weird texture. It's like it's a little chewy. It's a little, I don't want to say fishy because it's not fishy. But you can tell that it came from the ocean, you know what I mean? You can tell it's not chicken. You can tell that it came from the ocean. If you get a chance to have yourself some alligator or some crocodile, give it a shot. I got a ton of food here. It's all I made. I just made this. I didn't make any rice or anything to go with it. I have to say, crocodile is definitely on the list of things to try. Another one for the books. I appreciate you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys for subscribing. Go out there and get yourself a crocodile. Catch one in your backyard. And I'm sorry if you're unsubscribed now because you're like, I'm not watching this guy eat crocodiles. But I appreciate you guys so much. I love you so much. Make sure you hit that like button. I'll see you guys soon. You crocodiles out.